Hey Marcus, I just wanted to make a video for you since we didn't get to speak on the phone yesterday. I thought this would be easier, that way you can follow along with me. And this is basically my suggestion for you doing your events postings. If you don't like it, then we can set up time and discuss more. Basically, I think you should use your blog functionality to do this. And what you would do is go in your blog, which is under post, and create a category. Let's call it events. Click add new category. Here it is. And all you have to do now is add your post to this category or your event. So click on add new. Would be your event title. Maybe you have date, time, place. Maybe you have what's happening. For your description, let's put some description here. We can highlight and make these into headings to make them stand out. And you probably want to place a divider or a more link, which basically places a button that says read more, and that way people can see what else is going on, or read more information if you have a lot here. So we'll place it right here. Let's make a couple more paragraphs for sample. Here we go. And then you can add your more button by clicking this little icon. Here we go. Now all we have to do is assign it to a category, which is events, and set a featured image. It's always nice to have pretty pictures. So we'll use this image, for example, set featured image, and publish. So now all we have to do is add this category to the main menu so people can click on it and read all of the events that you have. So appearances, menus, okay, scroll all the way until you see categories here. Here's your category, events. Check it, add to menu. Okay, and we'll just leave it here. Click on save menu. And let me see, here we go, and here's your events link. There you are. So this date here shows when you posted it, and the dates right here will actually tell them when the date is, or the event is happening. As you can see, there is the read more button, so if they click on it, it will take them to the full page where they can see the rest of the description. Okay, you can also put different categories or different widgets, I'm sorry, into the sidebar, and this is the general blog sidebar. So let's go back, go in under appearances widgets, and here's your blog widgets. So right now you see search and you see categories. So if we go to the live site, that's exactly what you see, the search and then the categories of your blog. You should probably delete the uncategorize, it's just not, you know, or the test one, new category. You can delete them because they don't make things pretty. So just go under post categories and delete them from there. You can add more widgets basically into the sidebar to make it look pretty. So for example, you can add recent posts, and this will show everything. Oops, excuse me. It will show basically the last post from your blog, not necessarily from this category. So we can set it to 3, for example, and click save, and refresh the page to see what happens. There you go. Here's the latest articles, including this one that's you just posted. And there's other widgets that you can play with. There's some WooCommerce stuff. I don't know if you wanted to promote any of the WooCommerce things, but there's other like testimonials widgets and stuff like that. You can drag and drop them in here and see what they look like. Just always make sure to click the save button. And let's go ahead and make another post, so I'll show you what else, how else it would look. So we'll do, please ignore that error message at the top. It has nothing to do with the theme. Something's happening with Google Fonts today. Event 2, date, time, place, what's happening. Oops, apparently I can't spell today. So let's do maybe heading 2 this time, just to see what it looks like. And let's select your category, events, and the featured image. Doesn't really matter, I guess. Let's do this one. Publish. Okay, and let's click the events link. The reason this picture comes out like this is because it's a vertical picture, not horizontal. So let's go ahead and replace it. Click remove. And let's add a different picture. Update. And there you go, this looks beautiful. We forgot to put the divider in, so let's do, after this first paragraph, click on more, update. And let's update the page. So there you go. Here's your post, here are your dates. You're going to place stuff here, your paragraph to read more, and the category where it's posted. Here's the first one we created. So I think this is pretty visually appealing. You can add more stuff in the sidebar here if you wanted to. I think this could really work for you. Now again, like I said, if you don't like it, then we have to talk about it and develop something more custom. We can certainly do that. Thanks.